and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet rolls orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good. It will make me that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I've learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. But now whatever way our stories end, I know that I have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its moorings by the wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant room. Who can say if I've been changed